Hypothesis and definitions. Hypothesis. Political discipleship is necessary because it is within the mission of the church. It is a discipleship issue, and it matters for the church's Christian witness. God has given pastors the unique opportunity to shepherd the politics of their people. Thus, the question is, how might pastors begin to do this? I hypothesize that the direct teaching and discussion of the biblical concepts and commands of human flourishing and the common good have given Cornerstone Congregational Church a theological framework for engaging civilly in faith and politics. Human flourishing. Human flourishing is the biblical concept of shalom, a rich and dynamic word that conveys peace and wholeness in all of life due to right relationship with God and others. Rachel Anderson, a member of the Center for Public Justice, vividly describes flourishing. In a flourishing community, the image of God is honored in each person. Families and other institutions thrive. The vulnerable are protected. The stranger is welcomed. The oppressed are liberated, and everyone enjoys peace and security. While I talk about the flourishing of a community, full human flourishing as God intends is only possible through faith in Jesus Christ. The common good. The common good is beneficial for the whole community, not just a particular group of people. 1 Corinthians 10:24 says, "Let no one seek his own good, but the good of his neighbor." The Bible's conception of the common good is rooted in loving God, neighbors, and even enemies, which believers and churches work out in their local contexts. Engaging civilly. Civil engagement does not mean uniformity of belief, but rather a general sense of unity, respect, and even love for one another as believers discuss complex issues. The former president of Fuller Seminary, Dr. Richard Mao, explains civility. Civility is public politeness. It means that we display tact, moderation, refinement, and good manners toward people who are different from us. In the past, civility was understood in much richer terms. It was a willingness to promote the well-being of people who were very different, including people who seriously disagreed with you on important matters. Civility wasn't merely an external show of politeness. It included an inner politeness as well. Civility does not guarantee that no one will be offended or leave the church. Instead, civility is a manner of doing things that is intended to help foster discussion, learning, and harmony. Thank you for reading chapter 1 along with me. I'd be really curious to know what you think. Political discipleship is a very interesting issue. Please leave a comment below. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Doing that helps others find this resource as well. Hopefully it's valuable and honors Jesus. Thank you, and God bless.